Hello students, welcome back. Let's solve the next set of questions of electricity chapter from NCERT class 10 science book. The first question is what determines the rate at which energy is delivered by a current? The second question is an electric motor takes 5 ampere from a 220 volt line. Determine the power of the motor and the energy consumed in 2 hours. What have you learned? Alright, so let's solve the first question. So here we are asked that energy is being delivered by a certain amount of current in a particular time. So rate here in physics means time. So we have to determine what is that factor called. Now we know that power is given by work done by time, or power is determined as the rate of doing work. And who does work over here? It is the electric current. So here we can say that it is the work done by the electric current by time. So power here means it is the rate at which electrical work is being done. Now we know that energy is the capacity or the ability of a body to do work. So this equation we can rewrite as power is work by time, which is equal to energy by time. And here it is electrical energy. So it is electrical energy by time. Thus, rate at which electric energy is delivered by a current is known as power. So power is the entity or the factor that determines the rate at which electrical energy is consumed or dissipated. This is the answer to the first question. Now power is energy by time. Now the SI unit of energy is joule and the SI unit of time is second. So it is joules per second or joule second inverse, which is known as watt. So 1 watt is 1 joules per second. So this is the SI unit of power, that is watt. Let's solve the second one. Second question is an electric motor takes 5 ampere current from a 220 volt line. Determine the power of the motor and the energy consumed in 2 hours. So let's write down what all are given here. So there is an electric motor which is consuming a current of 5 ampere from a potential difference of 220 volt line. We have to determine the power of the motor and how much energy it is consuming in 2 hours. So the time given here is 2 hours. Now using the equation power is equal to voltage into current, we can find out the power of the electric motor. Voltage here is given as 220 multiplied by the current is 5. So it is 1100 watt. So the power of the motor is 1100 watt. Now let's find out the energy consumed in 2 hours. So now we know that power is equal to energy by time. So energy will be power into time. So power we got here as 1100 watt multiplied by the time, which is 2 hours. So it is 2 into 3600 second, that is 7200 second. So it will be here 7200 second. So the value comes to be 792 into 10 to the power 4 joule, which is equal to 7.92 into 10 to the power 6 joule. So the energy consumed in 2 hours is 7.92 into 10 to the power 6 joule. So now I hope you have understood the answers to this question. That's all for in this video. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Please watch the playlist containing the solved physics questions and numericals from the previous year's board exams. I've shared the link of the playlist in the description box. It will be very helpful to you while preparing for your exams.